Data integrity in clinical trials is essential to ensure reliability and compliance with regulatory requirements. ALCOA++ is a set of principles that define the characteristics data must have to be credible and useful in evaluating the safety and efficacy of medical products. The core ALCOA principles. Attributable. Each entry must clearly indicate who recorded it, when, and why. If data is corrected, an audit trail should show the original entry and the reason for the change. Legible data must be easily readable and interpretable, regardless of format, paper or electronic. Illegible documentation can lead to misinterpretation and issues during inspections. Contemporaneous. Information should be recorded at the time it occurs, not later. Delays in recording data may cause errors and undermine data credibility. Original data must come from the primary source, such as medical records, patient diaries, or measuring devices. Relying on copies that might have been altered is not acceptable. Accurate. Entries must reflect actual findings, be free from errors or manipulation, and any corrections must be properly documented. The ALCOA++ extension adds additional principles. Complete. Documentation should contain all required information, with no omissions or gaps. Even a single missing entry can impact the study's analysis. Consistent. Data must be consistent across different documents and systems. Discrepancies may raise concerns about errors or data falsification. Enduring. Records should be stored securely and protected against damage or loss. Regulatory agencies require documentation to be archived for a specified period. Available. Data must be easily accessible for audits, inspections, and analysis. If required documentation is missing during an inspection, it can result in serious consequences for the study and the sponsor. Why is ALCOA++ so important? Following these principles ensures that data is reliable, transparent, and compliant with international regulations such as GCP, Good Clinical Practice, FDA 21 CFR Part 11, and EMA guidelines. Any violation of ALCOA++ principles can lead to study results being rejected, regulatory sanctions, or even the termination of a clinical trial. Want to learn more about ALCOA++ principles and their application? Visit Clinical Trials University.